What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching about how you can go and get some views on your YouTube videos, how you can go and get some watch time. If you are patient enough to get some views slowly, you can go and wait. But if you are looking forward to get some views instantly, if you have created some video which is going to be event purpose, if you want some views and you are like you don't have any patience, you want the views right here right now, and you want some watch time on your YouTube videos, how you can go and promote. So this is going to be like money method. You have to pay some money. It is not going to be free one. So you have to go on Google and search for Google AdWords. Now Google AdWords, it was the old name, but now they have changed its name to Google Ads. So how you can go and get some views is you have to go and create some campaign. Inside the campaign you have to go and place your YouTube videos. So if people search on your YouTube videos, they are going to go and get your channel link on that, and from that video they are going to go and come to your channel. And another option is you can place your ads directly on any YouTube video. So if people go and play any video, your video is going to appear, and that's how you see all the skippable ads. So it is all done by Google Ads right here, which I'm going to talk to you about. So if you have not signed in yet, you have to go and sign up. After you have signed up, you have to go and click on campaign, click on ad. It is going to be blank, but I have created to campaign, so I have some data on that. So you have to create new campaign. Inside the campaign you have to go and ask sale lead, website traffic, what kind of a thing you actually want. So I will go and create a campaign without goal. I want a video. Inside the video it is going to be custom video campaign. I'm going to go and click on continue, hold up for it to load. After that you have to go and create a campaign name. I'm looking for money campaign, so it is related to what I'm going to go and upload the video on. So campaign total, how much do you want to sell? I want 100 rupee in a day. So it is going to be just for one day, because I'm making video. I don't want to go and spend some money just for the tutorial purpose. I'm making that. Start as soon as, so I will go and start as soon as, end date I don't have to keep any end date because it's like just one day. After that you have to go click on see target CPM and CPV. So if you want to know about that, you can go with question mark and you will get the details about that over here. Click on learn more. Next is going to be YouTube videos. So you want your videos to be on search. I want YouTube videos. I don't want my video to come on like just playing any video. I just want it to come in the search. After that it is going to ask for the language. So what kind of a language? I'm going to go with English, and I want to go with Hindi because the people who are actually watching my videos is from India, so it will be Hindi as well. Location is going to be India. What is the inventory type? I will go with standard. After that click on additional settings, click on devices. If you want to go and specify like computer, mobile, I'm okay with whatever there is. I'm going to be with all as it is. Add schedule all day. Now create the group name. It is going to be on money online. It is going to be related to what kind of a video you are creating on money online, because people search a lot of things. So I'm like, most of the people are male and audience is 18 to 14. Most of the people are from 18 to 14 who watch with my channel, so I'm okay with that. Household, I'm okay with that. After it is just like giving like perfectly keyword tool IO. I prefer this one because it's more relevant. It's by YouTube itself. I want to go with what kind of a video I'm looking forward for, so I will go and search for my video. This is the video which I'm looking for, so I'm going to open it up in a new tab. Pause this video. So I'm talking about how you can go and get some money online. So after that you have opened up the video. I'm just going to go and copy this one, copy the title, paste this title over here. I will go with YouTube. I'm going to go and search that. I'm going to go get like what kind of a people actually search for. It's not in Tamil, it's not in Telugu, Paytm, Hindi, without investment, only India, and find out what of the things is good for this video. Just go and select all of this. So I selected all of the keyword which I will look forward for, that is going to be appear over here. So I'm going to paste all of the keyword which is there. I don't want any question mark over here, so remove all the question marks are there. After you have pasted all the keywords, go down in the topics, click on the topics, what kind of a topic it is going to be. Computer and electronics, it is going to be business and industry, concept, it's going to be in finance and internet, jobs and education, online community, and that's about it. I just select what goes inside the topics. After that, click on placement. It is going to be YouTube videos, so I have to place my YouTube URL, so just go and copy this one. So this is the video. I'm just going to go and copy the URL of that, go to this, paste my video, and it is going to search for the what kind of a video I'm looking for. This is the video, click on it. Max bit is going to be 0.2, and this is the video. It is going to be discoverable ad. This is my thumbnail. This is how it is going to look inside the mobile phone. This is how it is going to look inside the desktop. After that, you have to go and find out the heading. So heading is going to be my title, so I'm just going to copy and paste my title, paste it right over here. Ad is going to be on money from home, so you can keep whatever you like. So this is just because I can remember what kind of a video I have made. Save and continue. So I'm going to go and add my second description. It is going to appear right over here. Click on save and continue. So it is going to ask like it is going to be uploaded and so on and so forth. Click on continue. So your campaign is going to be added right over here. It is going to show you that how it's going to be maximum, and it is going to be eligible, what kind of a ad it is. After you have created your campaign, you have to go with tools, go with payment, bills and payment. After that, you have to go and pay what kind of a money do you want to pay and what kind of a bid you have actually applied to that. So that is going to go and start showing ads on YouTube, and that's how you can go and get some views and get some watch time on your YouTube video. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and as this video goes on and on, it is going to show what kind of an impression does it take and what kind of a view rate it has already shown. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. It is going to pay some money, but definitely you are going to go and get some result out of it. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time.